Hey, I'm Mariah Idrissi and I'm going to show you how to get glowing skin in just 4 easy steps. At the same time, I'm going to be talking about self-love and how important it is to take care of yourself inside so that it reflects on the outside. The first step is washing my face with the Body Shop's carrot wash. What I really like about this product is they use rejected carrots from the food industry. You have to really love yourself to actually push yourself to go out there and get what you want. The liquid peel, just put a tiny amount, and you can see as you rub it in circular motions, all the dead skin cells that are coming off. It's really important for us to connect as women, just to have that community of women that you can really talk to and reflect with, and know that you're not alone, you're not the only person that feels that way. I think that in itself will remind you to just love yourself. So my skin is completely cleansed, so I need to moisturize. We have been put on earth with a unique and individual purpose. That in itself is such a powerful reason to love yourself. So the fourth and final step is the Skin Defense Face Mist. Just spray, and you have completed your glowing skin routine.